Okay, so this is ½ inch and this is 1 inch. The only difference actually is here. You can see this is ½ inch, this is 1 inch. If we put the cartridge here, eventually like that, this is ½ inch and this is 1 inch. So the only difference of these two is they are using different cartridge. And you cannot really interchange. This one cannot really fit in here. If it's in here, you cannot lock. And then this one, slide down. If you trying to put here, no, you simply cannot even fit in. You can see. So each size comes with its own cartridge. Okay, that's clear. Next, I want to show you how to put in the cartridge. Basically, you get in about 45 angle, put in. You make sure the top part is inside. Let me take it out. You can see here are lots of pins. You can see lots of pins. So eventually, just need to match this. They have exactly the same structure. So the purpose is all the pin must align with the pin. So you get a 45 inside. You push like that. You see the top part is aligned. Then you push in the bottom. Once you're done, you just push this, lock it. Then it will be in place. Okay, this one is the same. And you can see it's pushing the top part inside. And you can feel if you want to lock it, you cannot lock it, then don't force it, otherwise you're going to break this part. You need to make sure this one is actually inside. Then you lock it like that, then it will be in place. Later I will explain to you how this lever works, and but before that, let's switch on the both. I will explain to you, should I turn this way to switch it on actually. Let me switch on this one. So you can see the interface is exactly the same. Let's do the upside down for me, but let's press edit. You see it's the same thing. When the other factories, they normally use a serial number, you print, they will change. Okay, now we start print. Then you can see this is the one of the 1 inch.
Wait.
Other one.
Yes, carry on.
You also press print. You can see the only difference is height. This is ½ inch height. This is 1 inch height. ½ inch height, 1 inch height. The length you can print is unlimited. There's no limitation. Only the height. The height, if we compare, you can see that's the height of the nozzle, 1 inch. Height of the nozzle, ½ inch. Got this part.
Yeah.
Now we can see the lever is locking the. Now we take this out. Then this lever. So now let's talk about the lever. You can see this part you can push down. If you push down, if you push sliding this way, sliding, you can take it out. Once you take it out, you can see there's a little spring. You take it out. This one you can see they have 2 poles on each side, so 4 poles. And if you can see here, can you see here? There?
Yeah.
You can hook inside. This side is the same. So how to put it back? You first put the spring back.
Go towards me a little bit. Yeah, enough. Yeah, carry on.
Then you push this whole thing. This side first, you see you can go inside. So you can go inside. You can go inside, you see, right? And then this that one you push down, then you push in. Can you see clearly?
Careful, yeah. Just towards me and more. Towards me, yes, there.
Okay,
So
let me repeat one more time.
I think you're going to have to do that whole thing again.
Let's take it out. It's out now.
Yes. Spring out.
Totally out.
Yeah.
Then we push this back. Then these 2 poles, we hook it here. But of course, we're from a different direction. We hook it here. See they go inside, right? Then we push this side. We're trying to push.
A little bit towards me. Yes.
Go inside. So they lock
I got it.
So like that. If this falling out, that's how you put it back.
Okay.
If this thing falling back, oh, you have to send back to repair. Okay, that's it.